The RT-20 is a Croatian anti-materiel sniper rifle developed by Metallic in Rijeka in the mid-1990s and marketed by R.H. Allen. It was developed to shoot the thermal sights on Serbian M84 and T-72 tanks. The name itself is actually an acronym of the Croatian word Runi Top 20, or handheld cannon 20 mm. Operating with a bolt action, it houses a single 20 mm round and must be reloaded after each shot. Given its large caliber, it is one of the most powerful anti-materiel rifles currently in use by any country and is comparable to the South African Denel NTW-20 and the Indian Vidwan SAC, with the difference being that the RT-20 is recoilless. Specifications. A unique feature of the weapon is the counter-recoil reactive tube or the back blast above the barrel. This tube funnels gases from the cartridge out the back end, similar to that of a recoilless rifle or rocket launcher. This system is seldom used in small arms and comes with its disadvantages. It cannot be fired in confined spaces, for example with things, such as walls, in close proximity to the rear. Another possible disadvantage would be that the gases from the back blast can be detected by the enemy and the sniper's hiding position would so be compromised. In the RT-20, however, these negative effects proved to be not as relevant as in an anti-tank weapon, as in its case the portion of gas funneled through the venturi tube is far less than what will exit from the muzzle. Another characteristic that differs RT-20 from other heavy sniper rifles is that both optics and bolt lever are positioned on the left side of the rifle itself. It is also important to note that the maximum effective range of the RT-20 depends on the nature of the target. Chambering 20x110 mm Hispano, the rifle fires a 130 gram, 2006 grains, projectile at a muzzle velocity of 850 m/s, producing a massive muzzle energy of 46,962.5 J. In other words, it can penetrate the armor of any modern-day APC at ranges out to 800 meters. Users: Croatia, 80 in service. Type Bullpup anti-materiel rifle. Place of origin Croatia. Service history. In service 1993 present. Used by C users. Specifications. Weight 19.8 kilograms, 43.7 pounds, with scope and bipod. Length 1330 mm, 52.4 in. Barrel length 1020 mm, 40.2 in, with muzzle brake. Cartridge 20 x 110 mm. Action bolt action. Muzzle velocity 850 m/s, 2789 feet/s. Feed system single shot, manual load. Sights calls K312 23-12 x 50.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.